This is Countess Dora Pejačević. She was born in 1885 in a Baroque castle in Načice. A baroness, a pianist, a composer. The Pejačević family lived in a castle. It was large, orderly, filled with rules. Dora preferred the piano room. Dora composed, and composed, and composed. By 20, she was writing music that shocked people. Symphonies, concertos, chamber works. All from a woman in an empire where women were meant to play, not compose. A woman writing symphonies was absurd, indecent, unthinkable. But Dora didn't care. Her music thundered across Vienna, dripped with sorrow in Budapest, glowed in smoky concert halls across Europe. Her melodies were lush, her harmonies daring. But Dora disliked society. She avoided salons. She wrote music in solitude. In 1923, after giving birth, she died at 37. Her manuscripts were left in drawers. Her castle went silent. Her name almost vanished. Almost. Today, her scores are being played again. Her symphony is alive, and the countess who refused to stay in her castle is finally being heard beyond its walls.